Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add music in your Facebook story. So first of all, you have to launch your Facebook app in your mobile device, and on the plus icon right over here, that's a create story option. Tap on that, and from the gallery you have to pick one of the video or photo you prefer, just like this. And we have to tap on the audio just below the trim option right here. Tap on that, and on the bottom you can see there's an add music right over here. Tap on that as well, or you could also add the voice over. We have that option as well. So tap on the add music, and here we could see a lot of music that is recommended to you by Facebook. You can tap any of the music, or you can either search music from here just like this, and tap on the music you want to prefer to put in your story. And here we could see a music has just been added to your story, and you can also edit just by tapping it right here, and tap on the done, which is on the top right corner. And after you're done, on the bottom right corner there's a share option in this blue font. Tap on that and the story will be added to your profile. And this is it. This is how you can add music to your Facebook story. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.